Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm off to Manchester, so stay tuned and there's more to come. So I made it for the train, and I was really lucky actually because the train was quite empty. There was hardly anyone on it the way I like it. And then I also enjoyed my LiQWYD and caramel bar, which is my breakfast. Manchester was very gloomy today. It was very rainy and cold. The buildings still look very slender and striking to look at. There was great photography opportunities. There's just so much variety of architecture around Manchester. It's just so interesting. You can go on for days taking pictures of different buildings because they all look quite different. So I'm walking towards Salford where the new cluster is. I'm hoping to see something new off the ground for One Heritage, but we'll have to wait and see. So nothing has started yet on One Heritage. I think they finished off the foundations of the previous building, but nothing has got off the ground yet. I'm hoping something does soon though. You really do feel dwarfed in this part of Manchester now. It's amazing. I love it so much. So College Yard Tower 1 and Tower 2 are looking absolutely superb. Tower 2 is looking really nice. I really like the white cladding. I think it looks really nice. Tower 2 is also very nice. I like the look of that. It's very striking. So yeah. So Spinning Fields is a really cool area for architecture. There's so many stunning buildings. It's really interesting. There's so many quirky, cool architecture designs. I think it's a really nice area. And you really get Manhattan vibes in Manchester now with the bridges and stuff. So I'm now at Trinity Islands. As you can see, Trinity Islands Tower 2 is also nearly topped out now. At 183 metres. It's going to be one of the tallest buildings in Manchester. I'm giving you a 360 view around this bridge because it's absolutely stunning. The views are amazing. So this is Trinity Islands. As you can see, great progress. The building is nearly topped out. The second building, which is 183 metres. It's really come on so much since I last came. It's excellent progress, and also the ground level looks really good as well. It's just a stunning area. It's really spoilt for cool architecture around here. So here's a close-up of Trinity Islands. As you can see, the cladding is looking absolutely amazing. It looks really good for photography. And it was really good for photography. I got some really nice pictures which you can check out on Flickr. It's come on so much. The floor slab's nearly topped out now on Tower 2. It won't be long until the building is at full height, so that's very exciting. So I've just got absolutely soaked. The weather's won me today. It's absolutely pouring it down. So I'm going to wait for the rain to die off a bit and then I'll carry on with the journey. As you can see, I'm wet through. So 360, Elizabeth Tower and the Blade are dominating this part of Manchester. As you can see, they are looking absolutely amazing. I really like the architecture styles that they've used around here. I think it's so cool. As you can see, contour is now under construction as well. The second building is nearly topped out, and the first building is quite high up. I don't know what floor number it's at, but it's looking absolutely superb. It's making excellent progress, and the cladding looks super. So as you can see, Beetham Tower uses different cladding styles to Deansgate Square. I really like the green tint on Hilton Tower or Beetham Tower. Look at that though, it's a stunning cluster. Absolutely fantastic progress it's making. I'm really looking forward to what it looks like in a few years' time when the lighthouse is getting built, which will be the tallest building in Manchester. As you can see, contour is looking absolutely fantastic. It looks really interesting to look at. I'm getting absolutely soaked today. It's one of them rainy days, I think. I don't think it's going to come sunny today. So this film was made during a heavy downpour, as you can see by the rain. But look at that, the buildings don't disappoint, they still look absolutely amazing. Interestingly, Contour uses different cladding styles on both towers. This one's got a green tint, whereas the other one's got a more darker tint to it. Here I am showing you the depth of how big the buildings are. As you can see, I'm very dwarfed with everyone else. Contour has made fantastic progress, as you can see. It has come on so much since the start of the year. And there's lots more changes to be made in future. So I personally think Beetham Tower looks better on its own, but Viaducts 2 is nice, but I think it looked nicer on its own. And another building's being built next to a student accommodation building. So there'll be a new tower getting built soon. I chose quite a bad day to come out for filming and photography because it's just absolutely miserable. But Manchester's trying not to disappoint me. As you can see, it still looks stunning. And Beetham Tower is standing proud over Manchester, whatever the weather. I was so annoyed with the weather at this point. So as you can see, the St Michael's development has made great progress. The Slip Farm Court is at number 10 and the floor slabs are not far behind it. As you can see, it's making excellent progress. So I couldn't wait to go home and have a shower because I was absolutely soaked from the downpour. It was horrible. I just couldn't wait to get home. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.